Hello, Brian Ropp here. I am going to just kind of walk you through what we're taking precautions in order to allow for the safety of our employees, ourselves, and our clients as we move forward in this crazy time. I just wanted to just kind of show you where some of the hand sanitizer equipment is, what we're doing as far as mask protection, cleaning, sanitizing, and that sort of thing. We just want to be sure that you understand that we do take your health very seriously, and we still want to be able to provide you with individual private tours through our facility. So we've got all of our vendors are required to make appointments, and they are actually going to be making appointments directly with purchasing and enter separately from the building. Everybody coming through the building is required to wear masks. So if you are planning a visit, you can bring your own. If not, we do have some that we can provide to you. Also, all applicants are going to be doing everything online, so we don't have miscellaneous persons entering the building unnecessarily. So we can go ahead in. Every day we're going through thorough cleanings and sanitizings on all of your high trafficked areas, doorknobs, those types of things. As you enter into our entryway, you can see that Claire will be up here to greet you, but if you are going to be planning a visit, we just ask that you sign in into our little iPad system here. Again, this will all be wiped down after each individual use. Just type in here your information. Claire will get you set up with a rep. If you already have a rep, we'll get them pulled up here for you for your lovely tour through the factory. As you come into the door, we're going to have individually wrapped glasses, safety glasses, because if you do go through our facility, you're going to be required to wear those in addition to the face masks. And gloves, if you should want to use them, those are available as well. So we'll be individually wrapping your glasses. You have disposable masks available to you. Within the office themselves, these are going to be washed, sanitized, and gone through clean daily, in addition to any of our show units that will be in our showroom and the facility itself. So as we come through here, this is kind of how you enter our building. We have a hand sanitizer location prominently here. As you walk through to the hallway, we're going to have a hand sanitizer location at any of the entry doorways. So out to the plant, coming back, into the break room, coming forward, also, and outside of the purchasing offices, any of the offices, anything you're going through, doorways or doorknobs, we wanted to place that available to you there. So coming through here, we've got again, hand sanitizer at any of the doorways. As we walk through and touch any doorknobs and things, we want to make sure that we're using that. Also, any of the bathroom areas, we're just keeping those doors open because it's not necessary to have them closed. So any reduction in pulling on doors is what we were aiming for anyways. So ahead of me here, I've got a unit inside. This will be our showroom. We'll usually have a unit or two in here for you guys to come and take a look at. Like I said earlier, we've got somebody that is coming through and wiping all those used surfaces. This particular unit is a 39 FB, I believe. Yep. So like I said, we're just wiping everything down as daily use comes through. She's just gonna go through and sanitize the areas for you guys. We really appreciate all your hard work. I want to give a big thanks to Laura as she is helping us through this. I'm sure she'll smile at you through her face mask as you come through. Believe me, we're all still smiling here. So we're entering into the area where they're actually working. So I'm going to put on the safety glasses as we'll ask you to do so. As we head forward, you can kind of see walking through the factory, the beginning of the line here where we're doing all your final finish, trying to keep social distancing as much as possible, which we have a smaller work crew, so it's a lot easier for us to do than the larger manufacturers. Obviously wearing masks throughout the day in order to protect each one of us. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to consider our product. The Luxe line is a wonderful way to go out and see the country. We really appreciate you as our clients, and thank you so much for your support.